Hey folks, just thought I'd share some peaceful vibes with y'all. I'm at the Toledo Botanical Garden waiting for Don. He does personal training, and lucky for me, it's walking distance to this park, and it's just gorgeous. It's a beautiful day. The skies are blue, even though they were really I'm such a geek. Dark much of the day. It rained. I was working on editing my basic macrobiotics menus and recipes book that I originally published in 2006, almost 10 years ago. Took off the market when I went low carb, putting it back on the market now after I complete some edits, hoping to get that done. And I spent so many hours staring at the screen, not even using my glasses, trying to avoid that. But man, my eyes were really strained and blurry. So it's really good to just refresh, get the late afternoon sun in my eyes, and enjoy this peaceful, beautiful scenery. The lighting is gorgeous. I wanted to share. This is just, we are so lucky and abundant. I guess I can't turn my camera around here. There we go. Do it that way. The beautiful, infinite variety of nature is just stunning. It's just stunning. So majestic. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Take care.